The Lost City of Zorath. Emily had always been fascinated by tales of lost civilizations. As an archaeologist, she had spent years chasing legends, but nothing compared to the allure of the Lost City of Zorath. Hidden deep within the Amazon rainforest, Zorath was said to be the most advanced city of the ancient world, with technology and treasures beyond imagination. Yet, it had vanished without a trace, leaving only whispers and a single, cryptic map that Emily had spent years decoding. With a team of seasoned explorers, Emily set off into the dense, unforgiving jungle. The journey was perilous, with venomous snakes, swarms of insects, and unpredictable weather slowing their progress. The deeper they went, the more the jungle seemed to close in around them, as if guarding its secrets. Days turned into weeks, and supplies began to dwindle. But Emily was relentless, driven by a sense of destiny that she couldn't explain. One night, as they camped near a waterfall, Emily awoke to a strange, humming sound. Following the noise, she discovered a hidden cave behind the falls, its walls covered in glowing symbols that matched those on her map. With renewed hope, she led her team through the cave, which twisted and turned for miles. Finally, they emerged into a vast underground chamber, and there it was, Zorath, preserved in pristine condition, as if time had stood still. The city was breathtaking, with towering structures made of an unknown metal that shimmered in the dim light. In the center stood a colossal pyramid, its apex glowing with an ethereal light. As they approached, the pyramid's entrance opened, revealing a chamber filled with treasures beyond their wildest dreams, jewels, artifacts, and strange machines that seemed centuries ahead of their time. But Zorath held more than just riches. As Emily examined the walls, she realized they depicted the city's history, including its downfall. The city had harnessed a powerful energy source, but their misuse of it had caused a catastrophic event, forcing the inhabitants to seal Zorath away from the world. Suddenly, the pyramid began to tremble. The ancient energy source was reactivating, threatening to repeat the disaster. Emily and her team raced against time, barely escaping as the city collapsed into itself, swallowed by the earth. Back in the safety of the jungle, Emily looked at the few artifacts they had salvaged. Zorath was gone, but its secrets and lessons were not lost. The adventure had only just begun. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.